See this? Let's say this is the matrix and we are supposed to find out the rank of it. So if you observe it, the fourth row can be expressed as the sum of first three rows. Just check this. Okay. So since that is the case, I'm just replacing fourth row by R4 minus R1 plus R2 plus R3. I'm just adding these three and subtracting it from that. So that is what we got. So here now we got the entire row as zeros. That is obviously good. Whenever you get the entire row as zeros, you can rule out the possibility that the rank could be 4. It is a 4 by 4 matrix and one row is completely zero. Therefore determinant cannot be non-zero. Determinant is going to be 0. Therefore it is it cannot be 4. And next thing is, I'll try to make some other elements as zeros if possible. So here there is 1. I'll just exchange first row and second row so that I can have this the first element as 1 in the first row, so that using that particular element I can make the other two elements, the first elements of the other two rows as zeros. So I'm just exchanging R1 with R2. So I got this, and now my intention is to make these two elements as zeros, these two. Okay. So what I'll try to do is, I'll multiply this one with 2 and subtract from this, multiply this one with 3 and subtract from that. Okay, and I got this. Now it is not in echelon form, right? So what you could do is, using your intuition, you can try to see if there is any 3 by 3 submatrix which can have non-zero determinant. See, if this is a 4 by 4 matrix, definitely the determinant is 0, therefore rank cannot be 4. This is for sure, rank cannot be 4 because of this. Therefore I am trying to find out if there is a 3 by 3 square submatrix whose determinant can be 0. See this. This is a 3 by 3 square submatrix whose determinant is not equal to 0, and it should be easy to find out. So why did I pick up only this? Because most of the elements in this is 0, therefore finding out the determinant is very easy. 1 into determinant of this, isn't it? So if you find it out, you'll know that the determinant of this 3 by 3 submatrix is not equal to 0. Therefore we have found out a 3 by 3 square submatrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. Therefore the rank of this one is 3. Rank of this particular matrix is 3, and since this is equivalent to this, rank of this one is 3. Got it? So rank of this one is 3. I didn't go till the echelon form. Using intuition I got it. Or if you want to extend it, what you can do is, using this element you can make this one as 0. Multiply this one with 4 by 5 and then subtract from here, you will get this one as 0, and you will see that it is in echelon form, and then you can write you can know the number of non-zero rows, and you can say that it is in echelon form with number of non-zero rows as 3s. But then it will, to just avoid some more computation, I am using intuition. You can do the same in the exam. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.